Let's go next, please. So what is JavaScript? We'll talk about this. Let's go next slide. So again, JavaScript is a programming language. It is like a programming language. There is like a many programming language. It is lightweight. That's what it said. JavaScript has been developed in the beginning for the sake of the automate website. Means that whatever we do on the website, there was JavaScript actually driving the force behind the scene, mostly. As of now, JavaScript is the front-end based any type of user dynamic behavior, user actions dynamic way. JavaScript is the programming language. But then it has been reinvented to do the back-end coding as well, which is the business logic development. So it has been developed 1995. Okay, and then you can read all of this. As I said, I'm not going to read the slide. I will talk about exactly the knowledge. Let's talk about the use JavaScript. Go to the next, please. Yep. As mentioned, JavaScript is used on the front end, which is the website, on the back end, which is the business logic, right? And the mobile app development, desktop application development, server side means back end. Okay, robotics means the anything you do, even if you build the device like that, you can call the embedded, but of course, device need also the interface. So JavaScript can be used for that. Anything on the front end you can use. IoT, Internet of Things, JavaScript is not the best, but it's still, remember, anytime you build a device, you need the mobile app, you need the desktop app, you need the website. JavaScript is the king, driving anything on the front end side. So it is being used millions of companies, and it is free, right? And as you can read more details, what you can do with the JavaScript, right? And in TS4 is all our application, all, anything and everything. Our front end, our back end, mobile application, desktop application, everything is actually the JavaScript is the core programming language. And with the technical stack we use, we call the MERN stack. MongoDB is a database. Express.js with the backend framework library. React.js, which is the front end, and Node.js is a JavaScript engine to run the front and back end, all the magic, basically. Okay, let's go next slide. Okay, who uses JavaScript? You can see. Basically, everybody uses JavaScript around the world. That's what they do. Because without the JavaScript, the things are not nice, right? And the things are not like more matured in the web world. Let's go next. Why use the VS Code? Let's go.